Unfortunately, the devil so angry that came certain people far from the where the church is. They came and started bringing violence there. People tried to tie them up, and then they destroyed, and then they started destroying the church, and church has been destroyed, and have even burned the roof of the church. So now we are worried what to do, but God is faithful. I'll show you the videos. Um, I will show you the videos of the church which was burned up and being destroyed. And we are asking for the help, if possible, financially, that we may repair, we may rebuild the church, and we may again make a roof for this. Because as of now, we are stranded. The money that we had, we invested in this women revival conference, as you saw the videos, because there are other people came from Zomba. You have to buy food to feed people and the like. So now we are worried that now the church will be of no roof and it has been destroyed. So we need it to rebuild. So help us with the resources that we can rebuild it and it come back to its normal shape. May God bless you. May God cover you. May God remember you as you are being touched and convicted to this thing, as you are helping to this project. Amen.